Crunchy Nigerian buns might be so popular, but trust me guys, some people do not like it. So if you like this type of buns, soft, this kind of buns you're seeing now, this is what some people do prefer, then this video is for you. And if you're somebody that is looking forward to starting up a profitable buns business, this video is also for you. Nobody would disclose this commercial recipe to you for free, but I am doing just that in this video. So guys, if you're looking forward to starting a profitable buns business, just like I said before, whether small scale, medium scale, this video is for you. And if you're already into the business but you haven't been feeling yourself lately because of the bad economy, because of the hiking price of everything, all the raw material, everything keeps increasing. Okay, just like last month I got a bag of flour for 55k, and a bag of flour was selling for 55k. Okay, but today, like, my vendor actually called me and told me that CEO bag of flour is now 71k. So you know how you're using your flour, guy. I shock. So let me not drift from today's topic. So this recipe, it will actually benefit you more if you have your own shop. Do you get? If you have your own shop, this recipe will benefit you more. Or if you have someone close to you that can actually help you out, like someone someone you can leverage on their shop, something like that, like a friend or something, and somebody that will just allow you to keep your product and sell, like they'll just sell it for you. You will even be there. Okay, I've seen people that do that, like, yeah, for their close ones. Okay, so if you're in that kind of position, or if you're living in campus or student area, this will actually profit you too. You can actually sell on your online store, something like that. Yeah, you can sell on your online store. Tell your lodge mates, maybe the people living around, like, you can have their contact. You get? Yeah, just like all these people you see that are selling clothes online, that kind of stuff. Or you can also decide to I don't know but I'm just trying to think of possibilities, like how to make it easier for you. But if you don't have any of those leverage, then you are in my league. You are among those people that do supply. And for you to supply, honestly, you won't be making much, but I promise you won't be making as much as the person that has a shop, but I promise you that you will make your profit. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.